Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some tips that allow you to speed up OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So if the device is running quite slow and you want to speed it up a bit, there are a few things that you can do. The first one is the RAM extension. So we can open the settings, then scroll down and go to about the device, and over here you want to tap on RAM in order to open the menu for RAM expansion. You want to make sure that this option is enabled, and ideally of course you want to use as much as possible in order to get as much speed of this device as possible. After you make the changes, if you go back, you will need to restart the device, or you will have to do that later. So you can choose restart now or not now, and then you will have to do that manually. The next thing that you can do is the reduction of animations. Of course, this is just like sort of placebo effect, but it definitely feels like the device is running a little bit faster. So we need to go to accessibility. So if you open accessibility and convenience, at the top choose accessibility, and then over here we need to go to vision, and here we have remove animations. So you will not have any transitions when you are using the interface. So as you can see, if I go back, there is no transition, just immediately goes back to the previous page, and the same goes if you select something. Now this might not improve that much of this device, but it definitely feels a little bit faster. The next thing that you can do is enable the high performance mode. So we need to go to battery. So in the settings, find battery, which should be above accessibility, and then over here scroll down and go to more settings, and here we have high performance mode, which allows you to get the best possible performance out of OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. However, the downside is that this will definitely increase power consumption and it will heat up the device. So ideally you want to use it only when necessary. Now we're gonna go back, and this time we're gonna scroll up and go to display and brightness, and over here you want to go to screen refresh rate. Over here you probably have auto select selected, but if you want to make sure that you have the smoothest experience possible all the time, then you want to switch it to high, which allows you to use 120 Hz refresh rate of the screen. And of course this will increase the battery usage, and this might also lead to heat up of the device, but if you are caring only about the performance of the device, then this is how you can increase it for sure. The next thing that you can do is open the background app. So if you are using the buttons for navigation, then you can press this button with 3 lines in order to open apps that are in the background. And from time to time you want to make sure that not many apps are working in the background, especially if not needed, in order to release some RAM. By doing so, you'll definitely speed up the device a little bit, and the same goes with cards in the browser. So for instance, if you use Google Chrome, then make sure to close apps, tabs that you do not use anymore. Do not open too many tabs at the same time in order to reduce the RAM usage. And finally, the last thing that you can do is uninstall unused apps. So you can go through different apps in the app drawer and check which ones you don't really use that much and uninstall them. So you can press and hold the finger on the app in order to find the option to uninstall. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.